Hi Beloit School District, my name is Beth Clark and I am your Assistant Director for Instructional Technology. Today I'm going to show you how to hook up your computers and how to make sure that your smartboard works. So here we go. So you may come back to school and you have a wad of cords and you're wondering, what do I do with all of these cords? So let me help you out. Let's take a look here. If it has an end like this, you know this is the power cord. So what I need to do is look in the back of my computer, my desktop, and I need to find the spot where that cord fits in. So now I'm ready to plug in my computer, but we're not going to plug that in yet until we have our cords set up. The next one we're going to take a look at is your network cord. This looks like it has a phone ending on it, a phone jack. You guys have seen those phone jacks before. This is actually what gets you to your server. If you have a laptop, you may not need one of these, but this is just a hard wire so that you can get there faster. And what you want to do is make sure you look for the port in the back. There's only one, and you're going to push it in until it clicks. And now we're ready. Now this cord right here is called your VGA cord. This is the cord that goes to your projector or it goes to your monitor, depending on your situation at your school. So what I'm going to do is try to find the blue connector, and I push it in, and then I can actually screw in these connectors so that it's nice and tight and it won't come out. Now, if you have two projectors, you might have a cord that looks like this. And this is a DVI cord. This cord would go into the white part, like that. This would then go to your monitor, and this would go to your projector. The blue one would go to your projector. Now, depending on your configuration, you may not have a DVI cord. You may have maybe an adapter that splits, or it has a box, so that another cord will go to your monitor, and then the other cord would go to your projector. So just take a look. This is what it would look like for output. VGA, DVI. Next, we have two USB cords. Now if I run to the end of one of those cords, I have a mouse. You can plug in your mouse in any USB port. And then I have this USB. This USB cord is very important. This is the one that is connecting your desktop, your computer, to your smartboard. This is how they talk to each other, and then it enables the smartboard to be that touch screen. So some of you will have an extra cord for audio, and some of you will not. Some will just have your audio that goes right through your USB. In this scenario, I would plug in my USB, find my port. I have several on the back, and I would plug in my audio. Now my audio goes into the green jack. This is an external mic if you want to plug in a mic, which we don't have to do. So now everything is plugged into my computer and I'm ready to get going. All I need to do now is plug in my power into a power source and make sure that the other cords are plugged in where they need to be. I want to show you just where these cords are coming from off of the smartboard. You can see that I have cords hanging here. Yours may be coming out or running down the wall like this, but they come out here, and this is where I can attach them. I wanted to show you also, there are things like this. They're Velcro wraps or ties. You can see how these are put together to keep the cords together and neatly wrapped. This is what a network jack looks like. This is where the other end of your blue cord would snap into like this. It clicks, and now you're ready to be connected to the district server. If you have a visualizer in your classroom, you're going to have another VGA cord, another blue one, and you want to put that in the RGB out, and then the other end would go up to your projector. When you are using the computer and the visualizer, you can toggle back and forth from VGA 1 to VGA 2 so that you can use both at the same time. Now with my setup, I have a short throw projector that is actually connected with speakers and audio. So all I have to do to turn on my whole system is start my computer, and then I turn on my power button. Some of you, if you have a projector that is on a pole that is mounted further away from your smartboard, you will have to turn on your projector by using your remote. So now my smartboard is fired up, and I know that I'm connecting okay because I have my green light is showing right here. If you ever have a red light, that means that something is not connected. They're not talking, your computer and your smartboard. What I would do is make sure that you check connections. Sometimes your USB port is not working correctly. There might be a little glitch in your USB port. Switch it to another one and try that again. Try checking your ports to see if there's something loose, re-plug it in, and then this light will shine again for you, and you'll be connected. Now, on your smart boards and on your remotes, you will find an input or a source search button. And if I click on the input button, I'm going to VGA 2, and now I can bring up my visualizer. So just in that little step, you'll be able to toggle between your computer and your visualizer. VGA 1 is my computer, and it just takes a little bit and it will pop up. I hope this video has helped you get started for your school year. Have a great one, and if you have any questions, please contact us in the tech department. Thank you.